Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. Today I'm going to show you some updates that we've made to our minimalist bedroom, but first I'm going to start with what it used to look like. When we first moved in here, this wall was dark green and we decided to paint it a dark blue. Then we added this very bright wild art I had done and the two mirrors that we already had. There really wasn't a lot of thought that was put into designing this. I just put up what I already owned and worked with what I had. Once we started decluttering and becoming more minimal, I started to rethink the way I had the house set up and my style and decor, and I decided I wanted to really lighten up this room and make it feel a lot more cozy. I know this isn't everybody's style, but this is what I really like, and decided to ditch the mirrors and the wild piece of art and start fresh. I used Pinterest for some inspiration, and most of the photos I was pinning were light, bright rooms with plants and not a lot of things hanging on the wall. Back in August, I had purchased a secondhand set of side tables and lamps from a friend. I will link that video above and below. I just wanted this room to feel more put together, and for me that meant some matching furniture. So when we switched the side tables, I was really happy with the way that looked, but I wanted to leave the wall the way it was for a little while, live with it, and see what I really wanted to do, so I didn't have to make a bunch of changes over and over again. After 7 months, I decided that I did want to lighten the room even more, and that's when we decided on this headboard idea. I took the mirrors down, took the screws out, patched the holes, and I think we're gonna paint, and Grant's gonna start on the headboard today. So I just painted the wall white, and I'm gonna have to do at least another 1 or 2 coats, but I'm gonna let this dry. And I can already see a huge transformation. It looks so much bigger and brighter in here. It's crazy. And I've never seen this wall white, because when we moved in here, it was dark green. So we did the dark blue over the dark green because we thought it'd be easier to paint, which it was. And now going white, it just looks so bright and airy in here. I love it. Grant and I came up with a simple headboard design, and we decided to make it a whitewash, and that would just add more brightness to the room, but also give a detail to the wall without having to add a bunch of art. Also, this project was very inexpensive. He did all of the work. We already had the paint, and most of the wood we already had from a previous project. We try to get our kids involved whenever we can in most projects.
Good job, buddy.
One thing we did not think through is how heavy the headboard is and how we're gonna get it upstairs. So here we go. Grant wants me to help him. The headboard is pretty large and heavy, and we do have a narrow staircase. So this was pretty interesting.
Come and stay in your room, buddy, because if I get to the season he's here, I won't see him.
Luckily, we got it up without damaging any of the walls. The only problem was trying to keep our kids in their bedroom because it was their bedtime. We did not think this through. Can you go to bed now?
Wee.
Okay, go night nights. Here comes Dada with the headboard. Calvin, get in bed, please. Yay! Oh. These projects always take longer than expected, but it was really worth the wait. This headboard really helped transform the room and add a lot of visual interest. this is what our bedroom looks like now. I feel it has transformed the entire room by just painting the wall white and adding this headboard and getting rid of the big piece of bold art that I had done, which is now hanging in our downstairs bathroom. So I wanted just a really white, bright space, and I feel that we have accomplished that really well. I know white isn't for everybody, but for us, it just feels so nice and calm in here now. And I feel if I ever want to, I can add more color with pillows, or I can always add a piece of art if I want, but right now I'm just really enjoying this space. I got these pots from TJ Maxx and the plants are from Home Depot. The wood holder is from Cost Plus World Market, and the lamp and the side tables are secondhand from one of our friends. So in here I just keep 2 phone cords. One's for my tablet, one is for my phone, and then I actually put my alarm in here. And then in this drawer, I just store an emergency flashlight. And I feel this is the biggest change because we took the bright art that was out of here and put this headboard up, and it's just made such a difference. My husband has opted to put nothing in his drawers. I ordered this duvet off of Amazon. I will link it down below. We have a Cal King bed, so it's kind of hard to find that size in the store. I'm just loving it, and I'm so happy that we made these few extremely inexpensive changes. And I will link the video of my husband making this headboard down below. Click right here to see a playlist of our minimalist home tour. Also, hit subscribe and tap the bell to join our channel. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.